Traders, I'm looking at the NAS100 daily time frame. So this is in a bullish trend, with the exception of this shift in the trend here. Alright, so we had the break of this low, and it's dropped with a bit of a vengeance. Let's just call that a break of structure, shall we? Bearish break of structure on the daily time frame. So we've got this lower high, or lower highs, and lower low. But the thing with this is it's extended, or it's overextended down into, all right, have a look at this level here on the left. Just pull that up. Mark up this candle wick. Right, so it's hit the sell stops that are sitting under here with a vengeance. Okay, so this is a big liquidity pool. And I mean, you can see that. That's obvious with the reaction here. All right, so we're seeing this bullish candle, a bit of a pullback after tapping into this. So where to from here? Yeah, I mean, you know, this is a break of structure bearish. I mean, there's a couple of things that could happen. It could roll over here, possibly, and you know, look for further downside. Right, so that's one possibility. Let's go down the time frames, get a bit closer to it, and see what we can come up with. Yeah. Okay. So the 4-hour time frame, we can see this clearly, a shift in the trend. All right. So it was trending up on the 4H. All right. Now we've got this break of structure, bearish. And I mean, it's giving us bearish momentum on the daily and the 4H. But look, the thing is, as I mentioned, given that it's traded into this level, there's a huge liquidity pool here. I'm thinking we might see a deeper retrace. And if you have a look at this price action as well, see this thin red candle here. Right, so this is a bearish imbalance that we need to be mindful of. Oops, hang on, what have I done? Okay, bearish imbalance insofar as it's one-sided trading bearish. There's nothing left and right of it, okay, in terms of a candle. Right, so we've just got this gap here. And the market will generally look to trade back through and fill these imbalances. So I'm wondering whether, given that we've traded into, look, I mean, this is a big liquidity pool under here. We could even, you know, name it as such. Liquidity, okay, there you go. Right, it's hit that. And I'm thinking a pullback up into here wouldn't be out of the question. So you could look for a counter trend trade. Well, counter trend on you know, on the bigger picture, on a daily, weekly chart, but counter trend to this bearish move here, a pullback up into here, right? So if you're going to trade that, I'd probably go with the stop under the low, target the imbalance, and that could be a bit of an idea. I'm thinking, you know, once it trades up, then I would most likely look for this to rotate and head south. So, you know, we could get a buy out of it, back up into these levels, and then possibly it rolls over and we target this low again. That's what I'm seeing on this one at the moment, guys. And yeah, I mean, be careful. You know, if you're going to trade, be consistent and conservative with your position size. There's always risk involved. But, you know, in terms of a calculated risk, I think that would be feasible. So I think, yeah, I'd love to hear your comments on this. But definitely leave a comment below. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.